Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I've got one sweet build for you right here on a Can-Am Turbo RR. This is the XRS with smart shocks. Rolling 35s, baby. Got the Tusk bead locks. Lower door inserts from Can-Am. Hindenburg custom cages. 5150 whips. 5150 rock light kit. We got the MB Court sound system with some added subs under the seats. So we got a couple speakers up front, couple speakers in the back, and subs under both the driver and the passenger seat. Of course, we hardly ever send a side-by-side out of here without those heated seats. Got those installed. The Can-Am lower door bags, the Can-Am center bag. Oh, this one looks so good. Can-Am cooler. This is a link mounted cooler. Ryco street legal kit, blacked out tail lights. What do you think? 435-427-3338. Give us a call. Shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We got all the fun stuff. Casey, Jamie, you're gonna love it. Have a great day, everybody.